Okay, so what we got here is a VW Golf 2014. Doesn't come with CarPlay on the original screen. Very basic, nothing much in it. So you're pretty limited to what you can do. So what we done is we retrofitted it onto the original system, MIB2. And there you go, full wireless CarPlay, original touchscreen, no wires are needed. You can use all your favorite apps around the screen. Google Maps, Waze, Spotify, all can be done on the original screen. You can always switch to the original system as well. If you want this retrofit done on your VW Golf, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.